Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian markets are trading lower, and it is mainly because of weakness in the US markets. Again, the worries of rising interest rates and staying there for a longer time has actually melted the sentiment. We saw weakness for almost all the indices in the US. A 10-year bond yield climbed to the levels of 3.67 from the levels of 3.57, and the dollar index, which was around some 102.50, is now above the levels of 103. Singapore Nifty is down more than 90 points, and the setup of the market is again going to remain in a range. We saw higher closing for Indian markets, especially for Nifty, which closed at the highest point of the day. Sensex also closed at the highest point of the day, but there was like some weakness in the Bank Nifty, which actually failed to attract bullishness during the day, during the weekly expiration day. But if we see the entire pattern, then even though we are in the range, the markets managed to close at the upper boundary with some specific continuation formation. So for the day, the important level is 17,750. In case if we see the markets are dropping below the levels of 17,750, then we can expect further more weakness up to 17,600 or 650. On the higher side, the important level is around 17,950 and 17,900. After opening lower, if we see the markets are moving upward, then we can expect further more upward activity in the market, as most of the indices are rebounding from lower levels. So we are of the view that the markets are on the verge of crossing 17,900 and to reach the levels of either 18,000 or 18,050. A closing above the levels of 20 days simple moving average is also indicating us that we are heading for the upper boundary of the Bollinger. However, due to weakness in the US markets, we are going to see lower opening, and then we need to focus more on the level of 17,750. So that's the broader setup for the market. For the Bank Nifty, 41,900 is the important level, 41,000 on the downside, 41,250 going to act as immediate support for it. Apart from Bank Nifty, we are going to focus again on Nifty IT index, as it was clearly indicating us that it is into continuation formation, and capital goods and engineering stocks should do well. If we see any correction during the day, then we should be buyer in stocks like Thermax or even Larsen. Auto stocks, I think we need to focus more on the four-wheelers as compared to two-wheelers. So the broader setup is again indicating us that market should find support somewhere close to 17,800 or 17,750 levels, and resistance is somewhere close to 17,950. That's all from my side. With this we are ending today's morning call. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.